Hi everyone, this is Edie from Under the Kentucky Sun, and I'm filling in for Stacy today, so we're not having our dynamic duo, but she is filming. So today we are going to be talking about our sunflower nursery decor, which is all here. As usual, we're going to also have little things to show you that you can use in the hospital when the baby's being born, and then also things for the sunflower shower as well. So really just to kind of start off, I want to go over the things that you would have in the hospital. And the first thing we're going to talk about is this wreath, our sunflower wreath. And it's just going to have the name, date, weight, and length of your baby, so you can hang it on the door. It's really pretty, just a kind of a almost sunshine feel. So I'm going to hang that back up here. And of course, then you can take it home with you and put it in the nursery as well, or for the shower too. And then this is our mommy to be sunflower pin for our shower. And so this, as you can see, this is actually burlap. So we just created a sunflower out of that. So there you go. And let's see, we also have the Diaper Cake, which I'm really excited to show you guys. I'm going to pick it up so that you can see it a little bit better. But as you can see, obviously sunflower themed, but we also put some bees on there. We thought those were really cute. There's some little ones, there's one big one at the top, and then we also just added some little sunflowers, some little mini ones, and we actually used the same center of ribbon that we used to make our big sunflowers. We just made them smaller, so they're really unique and special. So this is the Diaper Cake. It's probably one of my favorite parts of this whole thing. And then the next thing that I'm also very excited to show you, this is the first time we've ever made anything out of food for decoration for the shower. And obviously this would be really fun to make really for any fall party too. It doesn't have to be nursery. But this would be a really fun thing to have for your sunflower shower. And I just lost a goldfish, but that's okay. So I created this. You can go back and you can watch our video that we posted yesterday on Thursday, and it just shows a really sped up process of me creating this board. And so I really just chopped up some cheese slices and used some goldfish, candy corn, Whoppers, and Reese cups to make this sunflower board. And obviously you can eat it. I totally recommend making it the day, either the night before or the day of, so that everything stays really fresh. But this is definitely one of our favorite things, and it looks really cute on the shelf. So I'll leave the goldfish. And then we also have, just as a decoration for the nursery, we have so many different sunflowers, and this is just one size that you can choose from. And I believe that this is a 15-inch. Am I correct? Yep. So 15-inch sunflower. One idea that would be really neat is to just decorate a whole wall of sunflowers with all of our different sizes, 15-inch, 18-inch, 20-inch, and 24-inch. So there's just all different shapes and sizes that you can have. And so that looks really cute with everything. And then we also, of course, we normally do a banner type of thing. This one's a little bit different than our normal ones. It's a little bit bigger, and it says, "Oh baby," if you can tell. And really what I just did here was I just cut the burlap, and I used stencils and painted this on there with white paint. So I think it really stands out nicely. It's something you can hang on the wall or on shelves like this. And it's also something you can take to the shower too and put it behind the girl as she's opening her gifts, or put it up next to the cake, really whatever way you want to use to decorate. Also something you can put in the hospital too. I think it would be really cute to hang on the windows of the hospital room, just to kind of brighten up the place, because hospitals tend to be kind of dull. So that is that. And then this thing I'm really excited to show you guys today. This is a new thing that we just came up with, and it's a garland, sunflower garland. And we use the same burlap that we use to make our big sunflowers, and we have really small little petals, and we actually use the same ribbon that we always use to make our sunflowers as well. And they're just really neat, and they're simple, but they're also so detailed and complicated at the same time. And so they're really special. You know, that's something that you can obviously have the 3 strands, or you can also you could do a whole entire wall like length of that and just have that hanging, and I think it would be so pretty. Even be pretty in front of a window over some white curtains, just anything like that. Also something you can take to the hospital and to the shower. So we have a lot of things that you can use for all 3 situations and circumstances. So I think that is really fantastic that you can utilize all of this for 3 places. And then, you know, we always have just some little decorations that we use to just set up this prop. And so these are some just fun ideas of things that we found. We found a lot of things at Hobby Lobby that were just really cute, like this mirror. Thought that went really nicely with the sunflower theme. And we have the little easel, and then this little sunflower, you can use it as a bowl, but we thought it would be really cute to set like this. We have fresh flowers up here, so we can just let you guys see how pretty these are. Just picked these out today from Lucky's. So love those. So just some really fun decorations. Of course, this picture frame I love. We actually added the sunflower on there. So you can really just do all kinds of things. And then of course we have our diaper bag, and we have just this really cute little stand thing to hold just basic products that you would need, and we have a little towel in here. So those are just kind of some basic things. You have books like normal, but this is what our sunflower theme looks like, and there is honestly so much more you could do with it. Like I said, in my mind I picture a whole wall of those hanging across. I picture about 4 different sunflowers on another wall, all different sizes, and then just really being creative with it. So that's all we have for you today. And oh, there's one more thing though. I'm grabbing a sneak peek for next week. So this is just a little sneak peek of what we're going to be having as our theme next week, this little cute squirrel. So you can get excited about that. So anyways, hope you guys have a great day.